Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
On Friday, February 24, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, released the results of its trial of the Johnson & Johnson coronavirus vaccine. The FDA found the vaccine to be safe and effective, and is expected to grant the one-dose COVID-19 vaccine emergency use authorization at its advisory panel meeting Friday, February 26. Maureen Ferran, a virologist at the Rochester Institute of Technology, explains how this new vaccine works and explores the differences between it and the already approved Moderna and Pfizer-BioNTech vaccines. 1. How does the Johnson & Johnson vaccine work? The Johnson & Johnson vaccine is what's called a viral vector vaccine. To create this vaccine, the Johnson & Johnson team took a harmless adenovirus, the viral vector, and replaced a small piece of its genetic instruction. The cells then read the genetic instructions needed to make the spike protein, and the vaccinated cells make and present the spike protein on their own surface. The adenovirus vector vaccine is safe because the adenovirus can't replicate in human cells or cause disease, and the SARS-CoV-2 spike protein. This approach is not new. Johnson & Johnson used a similar method to make its Ebola vaccine, and the AstraZeneca-Oxford COVID-19 vaccine is also an adenovirus virus. 2. How effective is it? The FDA's analysis found that, in the U.S., the Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine was 72% effective. While there is still a chance a vaccinated person could get sick, this suggests they would be much less likely to need hospitalization or to die from COVID-19. A similar trial in South Africa, where a new, more contagious variant is dominant, produced similar results. Researchers found the Johnson & Johnson vaccine to be slightly less effective at preventing all illness there, 64% overall, but was still 82% effective at preventing severe disease. The most basic difference is that the Johnson & Johnson vaccine is an adenovirus vector vaccine, while the Moderna and Pfizer vaccines are both mRNA vaccines. There are many practical differences, too. Both of the mRNA-based vaccines require 2 shots. The Johnson & Johnson vaccine requires only a single dose. This is key when vaccines are in short supply. The Johnson & Johnson vaccine can also be stored at much warmer temperatures than the mRNA vaccines. As for efficacy, it is difficult to directly compare the Johnson & Johnson vaccine with the mRNA vaccines due to differences in how the clinical trials were designed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more how-to and informative videos.